I'm dipping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, y'all, we got some packages. Gonna open them up like I was. And it ain't no big secret. Like I told y'all, we was getting ready to do this harness. So some stuff that need to be ordered. So everything has come in, I believe. So let's get to it. Box. We have these are automotive connectors. Those are gonna go into secondary lock. And this one right here, we have the actual connectivity terminals. You can see here and this one here. These are also connectivity, automotive connectors. You need those as well. Part numbers, 829-121-29373. All this stuff, I mean, I got it directly off of lt1swap.com. So part number for that is 829-121-60437. And this one right here is part number 571-42238. And last but not least, we got female connectors. These are your actual OBD2 ports that you're going to add on to the harness. And those connectors are, that part number is 829-121-0250. So that box, everything came from Mauser Electronics, www.mauser.com. These are current as of, what the fuck is today? October 27th, 2018. So let's get into the next one. Actually, I'm gonna do this one next. What we have here, this one was ordered from Rock Auto. We got our Rock Auto magnet. Great addition to the refrigerator. Right here is what you have is a standard fuse block. That's part number 85668. It's a Dorman product. You can pretty much get it from anywhere. It didn't cost that much, like $3 or $4, something like that. So that's gonna be your fuse block that you use like that. So part number again, 85668. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and put those in there and just keep everything together. And for the next one, so with this one, they sent, thank you for your order. This one was from All Electronics. They sent a manual and everything, so might be thumbing through that. I mean, the prices is, I believe, like wholesale. Not expensive at all. I think with this order, I might have spent like $18.60, like $20 there. Yeah, like I said, it really wasn't a lot. So what I ordered from them was alright, so what I ordered from them was these. Actually, we got 2 relays. And then these 2 relay sockets. These are going to be the ones that connect onto the side of the block that we got from Dorman. So we put that in there. And then this is like a lamp assembly for your lights, for your check engine light. But now that I'm looking at this, like, this is gonna be too big. Or bigger than I would like. But we'll make it work. We'll make it work. And then of course, like I said, you got the relays right here. So outside of the price of the actual harness that we got from the junkyard, which was about 35, 40 bucks. You got 1860, and that's like 2 relays, 2 sockets, and that little lamp. Like I said, the price for, let's see, where is that? Let me see if I can find a receipt or a purchase order. There it is. Price of everything. Does this have a price on it? I don't think this has a price on it. This has serial numbers on it. It's still no price. But for this thing, we'll just sum it up. We'll say less than 50 bucks. You can get everything that you need to work the harness. So, granted, maybe like $100 or something like that. If you're willing to put in the time and break everything down, then you too can build your own harness. Like I said, I got my daughter down here this weekend, my son's birthday, so I wasn't gonna be doing nothing in the garage, but I figured I'd record this for y'all since I got it in. Since this next week I plan to get off into stripping down that harness and recording that. So just want to keep everything stacked up so I can keep the videos coming and everything like that. So man, it's your boy LSRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. Yeah.